When it comes to fishing a drop shot, I feel like this is one of those techniques that can often be overworked or, basically imply too much action to your bait because it doesn't take a lot of movement in your line to transition it down to just your bait. And the first thing I like to do when I'm fishing a drop shot is simply let that bait down the bottom. And what I like to do a lot of times is keep opening my bail because I want that bait to drop basically straight down the bottom. Basically keep my line angle in that big bow. So when I move that bait, I'm basically moving it more vertical up and down than if I tight line it, I'm just kind of flattening out that curve. And so the first thing I do, I basically want to see that slack line that it hit bottom. And now what I'm trying to do is if I'm going to imply action to the bait or move the bait, basically all I'm trying to do is shake the line. A lot of times if you have any wind, that little bit of bow, I'm just shaking that. I'm trying not to move the weight. The situation we're at today, it seems like they don't really want a lot of movement. I'm basically letting my bait hit the bottom and I'm kind of following the slack as the current kind of takes it away from the boat. And if I don't get a bite in say 10, 15 seconds, I simply reel it a little bit and let it fall back down. And basically pulling it up, maybe moving it 5 to 10 feet and letting it re-fall back down, letting the current sweep it again. But this can change, on every spot based off of, maybe how the current is relating, but also throughout the day. Sometimes they want it moving a lot, shaking it constantly, and the bites come when that's happening. It seems like today they don't want it hardly moving at all. And so it's one of those things to play with, but one of the biggest keys is keep in mind is always try to move the line without moving the weight, is you're gonna have the best action on your bait.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.